Answer my questions, please. Have you ever had any severe surgery? Do you like to wear gold? Is it possible to have a gun with you outside? Are there any housewives around you? What's your favorite animal? Have you apologized to anyone recently? Which month comes after January? Is it cloudy outside now? Do you like to wear belts? Is there any train station nearby? And now try to create sentences, your own sentences, from following words. Human, useful, science, relaxing, cost. And now write down a dictation. Then read it out loud. The housewife faced a tough decision. She held a ticket that seemed impossible to use. Thoughts raced behind her mind. Change felt daunting. With courage, she decided to take the lead. The ticket symbolized a new beginning. Leaving the familiar behind was hard, but she embraced the challenge. With hope in her heart, she took a step towards an uncertain but promising future. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.